Right, 675 Tatsu ramen, first in the day, not great, but let's do it. Boom. Hello, for Devaney?
Got you. Let me go see if it's ready for you.
Thank you.
Okay?
And we have arrived. I'm on Highland. Here's LA Dockworks. Supposed to drop in here. Uber is requesting something right now. Let's wait a second because this goes first. First things first. Okay, let's see. $5, 1.2 Jack in the Box. No, I don't like to go to East Hollywood. Alright, so the order handed to me by the doorbell. Boom. Front. Right here. Alright. Hello?
Hello, hi, how can I help you?
Oh, I have a DoorDash for Devaney.
Yep, one moment, please.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy. I have here an Otis, $9 for 1.1 miles. Let's do it. Alright.
Just 1 moment.
Alright. Okay, so this is a little challenging. There's a lot of drinks. And while I was waiting, I got a request for Uber 2 orders and I accepted. I might cancel. Let's see how this goes. Because it's a tricky delivery, so many drinks. So, alright. That's safe. All the drinks are perfect. Nothing happened, so now I need to call the customer. Okay. Now we're waiting for the customer to come down. He said I'll be there. Let's hope it's soon. We are ready.
Thanks a lot.
You got it, man.
Have a
Good.
good day.
Careful with those. Okay. Alex A. Hello. Hello? Alex, Uber? Okay, here we are. Oh, this Velcro is new. This is my other scooter with that new bag, so Jesus, that Velcro is strong. Okay, boom, and boom. There we go. Awesome, ready for pickup number. Our Creation Organic Juicery, fancy place. Usually get your tips from this place, but not always. So let's see. Bree. Hi. Bree B. Hey, very close. Arriving to drop off number 1. It was a really close direction, address, so that's really good. We are arriving 500 feet on the Long Prairie. It's actually that house at the bottom with the Jeep. I know you can see it with that little red, roof. It's over there. We have arrived. Oh my god, okay, come on. Oh, you're taking a left, of course. How convenient. How convenient for you. Cool. Here we are. Here we are. So, oh, come on, stay strong. So for this is, okay. Jack in the box. Boom, boom. 29. Which is you. Yeah. Nope. Leave a door. Hello.
Hey,
Alex?
Yep, that's me.
One.
Maybe I'll set this here.
Enjoy. Have a good one. Hey, we are arriving to drop number 2. We are on Las Palmas, North Las Palmas Avenue. This is going a little towards south, towards Melrose Avenue. Hey. You have to stop. There's always aggressive people, always. So here we are, 736 to the left.
The destination is on your left. 736 North Las Palmas Avenue. Arrived.
Okay. Here we are. Okay. Not now. No, 5 miles, that's too much. Nope. Okay, meet at door. Hello? Please knock. Okay. 3. Hi, enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay. 750 for 1 mile for Forage. Let's do it. That place is always late, but let's try to be slower and wait and be patient unless I have something great for Uber Eats and I'll cancel. So, man, I need to cut, but I need to pause here. Driving to Forage in the middle of the Avalon complex. Next to the Trader Joe's. Here we are. Let's see. They never have food on time, so I don't expect them to have it today, even if it's Sunday, early, before lunch. Let's see. Hey, arriving at the first drop-off before going to Starbucks for the second order. Boom. And here's the left.
Turn left onto North Fuller Avenue.
We have a
then
red
the destination
light.
is on your right.
Okay, let's do it.
In 600 feet, the destination is on your right. 1400 North Fuller Avenue.
1400. Okay. Arriving to the right. Cool.
The destination is on your right. 1400 North Fuller Avenue.
Oh.
Arrived.
Leave it at the door. Zone. Dump. Thank you. Moving on. Eddie. Looking for Eddie. Eddie, hello. Hi. Hi, do you have Eddie by for Uber? Thank you. Eddie C. Thank you. Have a good one. Cool. Moving on. Okay, I got another Starbucks order while I was putting this in the bag. So after dropping this, I gotta go to Starbucks on other location and another pickup. So that's good. Uber is keeping me busy.
In 400 feet, the destination
back to back.
is on your left.
And here we are on Sycamore Avenue going to deliver Starbucks on my left. Perfect. This building is a little complicated. I need to pass 2 filters. So
The
not my
destination is on your
favorite.
left. 1320
But
North Sycamore
let's
Avenue.
do it.
Arrived.
Okay. Vanessa. Hello.
Hi.
Do you have Vanessa D Uber?
Vanessa?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's right over here. So the only thing is that we don't have cup holders. We're gonna give it separate. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one. Arrived to the building. Oh, new order. It is for 5 miles. No, thank you. No, thank you. Okay, let's try to move the scooter inside the apartment building because I don't want to. Cool. All right. Not so bad. Let's do it. 2.2, $10. Cool. Oh. Oh, hello. Nicole?
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we are super close. Arriving on Rosewood. I had to take Fairfax, which is really busy on Sundays. I didn't like that. A little dangerous. But here we are.
The destination is on your right.
Okay.
7768 West Rosewood Avenue.
Cool. We have arrived.
Arrived.
I just need to climb up. Cool. Here we are. Alright. Ooh, yeah. So, okay. Nice. Nope. Yep. Photo. Awesome. Thank you. Moving on. Okay, 750 for Nong LA 1.5. First time doing this, let's do it. Okay, we have arrived to Nang LA. First time here, so let's see.
The destination is on your right. 145 North La Brea Avenue.
Hello, for Albert. Thank you. Okay, arriving, we're in this very fancy Jewish neighborhood, really south from Melrose Avenue, so you'll find the nicest houses, really safe neighborhood, really old school. You can tell it's really old money. It's nice. I really love around here. You can check the houses, everything is nice. So let's hope the tip is nice. It was from a nice place, really fancy. So you can see, look to the left. Look, those trees. It's here. Shit.
The destination is on your left.
All right.
437 North Citrus Avenue.
We've been talking to you guys.
Arrived.
Alright. Hello.
Hey.
DoorDash?
Yeah. Or DoorDash for...
Albert.
Yeah.
Cool. Enjoy, man.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Okay.
Cool. Alright. Starbucks. Ready. Let's go drop this baby. Super fast. Super quick. Thing is in this building complex that I have delivered before. Not my favorite because of the area. But we'll hope it's here. Call, yeah, it's here. Call box, okay. We arrived. Okay, here we are. Fast. Four. Alright. 650, 4.9 miles, Jersey Mike's. Let's take it. Whoa, there's some sirens. Something's happening as usual. Okay, guys, see you soon. Hey boss. Anastasia. Cool. I was checking some crypto. Since there's a huge dip, I love it. It's on discount. Keep buying, keep stacking sats. Boom. Coinbase. Alright, so Dasher, confirm pickup. Boom. Let's go drop to Lanewood. Okay, we're going up. La Brea. Going north. Alright. Right. Immediately after we moved to Burger King. Ooh, we have cool 2 Burger Kings. Nice. have a double right here. So we'll see. We are here at the Burger King. Okay, there's a sketchy dude outside. Always at the 7-Elevens, at the McDonald's, at the Burger Kings. That's the norm. We shall see.
Pick up on the left.
Oops. Hey, double pickup. Si no está listo Matthew, I can just take the first one. That's fine. Cool. Both and the drink. My least favorite part, drinks. Ugh. Cool. Awesome, moving on. Hey, I know this building pretty well. 39.
Drop off on the right.
Yep. 27. It is. Yep. Here we go. I always like to semi-hide the scooter here. So it's done. With the iced tea is his. Okay. Hoorah! Where's the name? Cool. Right. And come on, these apps sometimes are fucking pain in the ass. Here we go. You're so close. You are so very close. Okay, we are dropping off the second Burger King order. I know this building pretty well.
The destination is on your left. 1765
Again,
North
not one of my
Sycamore Avenue.
favorites because of the area. This is a very sketchy area in the heart of Hollywood Boulevard. So you have a lot of homeless, a lot of tourists, a lot of movement, a lot of noise. Not my ideal scenario. And yet, here we are. All for money on wheels, guys. Okay, cool. So, see you soon. Let's go. Huh. Okay. Starbucks. Sure, let's do that, and that when I say goodbye to the day. That's enough for a Sunday. Of course, it has to be the most complicated one. Moving on. Oh.
You got the RoboCop?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hello. Uber for
Make a left turn.
Evan.
Then pick up on the right.
Saving it up right now.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy, Evan. Have a good one. You said, guys, that's it for today. It's Sunday. I'm going home. If you like this, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Money on Wheels. Woo! Woo, woo, woo.